Here we come to the elevator, which is known as the wheelchair lift at the Autism Society Building in Erie, Pennsylvania. This elevator is brand new, and look, this button right here represents the first floor, and this button right here represents the second floor. And if you look here, it's already on this floor. Let's open it up. Oh, look how it's a little bit above the floor. Alright, and this elevator closes automatically. Yep, there it goes. Alright, if you heard that lock, that means this door is locked. Before we go anywhere, I gotta count to 5 in my head, but while I'm doing that, here are the buttons which we're gonna be using to operate the elevator. These buttons here are the floors. So look, this one is 1, this one is 2. And here's your alarm, emergency stop, and the key switch. And this is the instructions and important pause if you want to read it. Alright, we're gonna look this way for a little bit and then go down. We're gonna look at this way and go down, so here we go. You have to hold it for it to go, because if you let it go, it'll stop. So do not let go of the button until the elevator reaches your desired floor. And right here, we're approaching the first floor. We're gonna get out and let the door close, and then we'll go back up. Now we need to wait for the red light to turn off before we can use it again. Alright, there we go. Wait 5 seconds, and look right here. I don't know if you can see it that well, but that's like the elevator brake box. And see, if you flip that switch to off, the elevator completely shuts off. Oh, now you can see it better.
Sorry.
No, you're okay, You're fine. I was just showing people.
Okay.
So yeah, you never want to flip that switch unless if it's absolutely necessary. Here's the buttons. Same thing as the second floor. And now to get it to open, press this floor. There we go. There we go. I think this is under leveled a little bit. Oh, it's perfectly leveled. All right, wait 5 seconds. While we're waiting, here's all the way up in that shaft. And there, that's the counterweight which lifts the elevator up and down. Goes all the way up there. And see, look, that is the second floor, and this right here is the first floor. Once again, here are your buttons. Let's look this way for a little bit and go up. Here we go. Listen to the motor. Door automatically opens when the elevator stops. this was worth checking out. Let's wait for the red light to shut off. And there it goes. And before I end the video here, if you want to send this elevator down from the outside, you have to press and hold the 1 button. Alright, let's get one last look at the elevator car from right here. Alrighty. There it goes, and that will be it.